Allah revealed all languages. Every language that human beings speak across this earth and have ever spoken, even the ones that are extinct now, were all revealed by Allah through Adam alayhi salam. They're all byproducts of what was given to Adam alayhi salam. And Allah taught Adam directly alayhi salam. So language is considered sacred from the beginning, because allama Adam al-asma. Allah taught Adam alayhi salam al-asma. He taught him how to speak. Allamahul bayan. He taught the human being speech. So all language is sacred. But within those sacred languages, Allah early on chose certain languages to reveal His words, right? So He chose certain languages for His revelation. So a language that was honored by Allah was the Hebrew language, for example, when Torah was revealed to Musa alayhi salam, as an example. Similarly, of all the languages, Allah honored the Arabic language, just like He honored the Arab Prophet alayhi salam, above all else, because He chose to reveal His final word in the Quran, in the Arabic language. And within the Arabic language, there are thousands upon thousands of words and roots. There's a system of roots in Arabic. And He didn't use all of those roots in the Quran. He only chose 2%, if you will, or less, of the vocabulary of the Arabic language was used in the Quran. The Quran uses less than 2% of the vocabulary of the Arabic language. You know what that means? That 2% of that language is the most special part of the Arabic language, because Allah chose those words to communicate with us. And within those words are connected in Arabic. So what happens, you may have, if you've been listening to me for a while, you know that words in Arabic are connected with this amazing system of etymology of root letters, 3 letters that connect lots of words together. An easy example of that is ilm, which means knowledge. Alim means someone who has knowledge. Ma'lum is something that is known. Isti'lam is to try to find out. I'lam is to tell somebody something. Mu'allim is a teacher who gives information or gives knowledge. All those words are related in the end to what? Ilm, right? And there are hundreds of words that can come out of that one word, right? And that's one of the qualities and powers of the Arabic language.